Hi, I'm at the MathCraft Math Lab. Let's review multiplying mixed numbers. There are 3 steps to multiplying mixed numbers. First, we convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions. An improper fraction is one in which the numerator is larger than the smaller denominator. Second, we multiply the improper fractions. And finally, we simplify the product if we can. So here we need to multiply 2 3/5 by 4 1/6. The key to multiplying a mixed number is to first convert it to an improper fraction. Let's start with 2 3/5. The key is to remember that 2 3/5 is the same as 2 plus 3/5. And 2 is the same as 2 over 1. That means 2 3/5 equals 2 over 1 plus 3 over 5. That means we can convert 2 3/5 into an improper fraction simply by adding 2 over 1 to 3 over 5. The key to doing that is to make sure that the denominators of the fractions are the same. Well, in this case, the denominator of 2 over 1 is 1. So the easiest thing to do is to turn 2 over 1 into a number whose denominator is 5. We can do that by multiplying 2 over 1 by 5 over 5. Multiplying fractions is very straightforward. We multiply the numerators, 2 and 5, to get 10. We multiply the denominators, 1 and 5, to get 5. Now that we know that 2 is equal to 10/5, we can rewrite the problem as 10/5 plus 3/5. In adding fractions, when we have a common denominator, is very simple. We add 10 and 3 to get 13, and put it over the common denominator 5. So now we know that 2 3/5, a mixed fraction, is equivalent to 13/5, an improper fraction. What we just did may seem a little complicated, but it suggests a pretty easy shortcut. We can take 2 3/5 and turn it into 13/5 by multiplying the denominator of the fractional part by the whole number of the fractional part. 2 times 5 to get 10. And adding that to the numerator of the fractional part. And rewriting the fraction as 13/5. So we can rewrite our expression now as 13/5 times 4 1/6. Using the method we just described, we can convert 4 1/6 into an improper fraction by multiplying 6 and 4 and adding the result to the numerator 1. That gives us 25/6. We can rewrite our expression now as 13/5 times 25/6. So now we've turned our problem into a straightforward multiplication of fractions problem. We need to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. But as you can see, we actually have a canceling opportunity. 5, the denominator of 13/5 goes into 25, the numerator of 25/6 evenly. So now we've made things a little easier. We need to multiply 13 times 5 and 1 times 6. Well, 13 times 5 is 65. So 2 3/5 times 4 1/6 is 65/6. Notice our answer is an improper fraction. So let's reduce it to a mixed number. To do that, let's divide 6 into 65. Well, 6 goes into 65 at least 10 times. And what we get is a remainder of 5/6. So 2 3/5 times 4 1/6 is 10 5/6. Thank you for joining me at the MathCraft Math Lab. I'm Dr. Curtis. I'll see you next time.